The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for central Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, central Stokes County in north-central North Carolina, southeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, eastern Surry County in northwestern North Carolina, and northwestern Caswell County in north-central North Carolina until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Yanceyville, or 9 miles south of Danville, and moving west at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include King, Ilkin, Yadkinville, Wentworth, Mayodan, Jonesville, Madison, and Pilot Mountain. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for central Rockingham County, Yadkin County, central Stokes County, southeastern Wilkes County, eastern Surry County, and northwestern Caswell County until 6 p.m.